Understanding the different finishes is important to getting what you want from your new floor. Oiled. Protects and penetrates the surface to strengthen and enhance the grain structure. Lacquered. Provides a hard-wearing surface layer that is shiny and smooth to touch. Matte lacquered. A hard-wearing smooth finish that replicates the appearance of an oiled floor. Unfinished. Untreated boards that allow for a bespoke result in terms of staining and protection. Brushed. The surface is lightly brushed to remove the softer fibres and expose the grain. Handscraped. Each plank is painstakingly scraped by hand to capture the appearance of time-worn timber. Planed. Boards are finely sanded using up to 6 careful processes for a delightfully smooth finish. Sawn. Wood is sawn with a rough blade to recreate the look and feel of freshly cut timber. To discover more about choosing your flooring, head to our website.